What is going on, guys? We are checking the Kings on today to showcase everything that's new around the park, as well as some haunt rumors and others. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check it out. The Ultimate Stone Show is back at the park from July 30th through August 19th with the times listed and weather permitting.
Welcome to the jungle, it gets worse there every day. Learn to live like an animal, the jungle will remain. You gotta look up for what you see, take it eventually. You can have anything you want, but you better not take it away. The jungle, welcome to the jungle, walk the ground into your
Is it really a trip to Kings Island if you don't get any Skyline famous conies? Let's eat it. One thing you may see off in the distance at the park is this complete clearing. And this is not for a ride, this is actually for employee dorms. And right over near Great Wolf Lodge. Back in the back. I don't think they'll be ready for next year. If they are, possibly late, but probably a 2019 opening for that. And yet again, nothing new over at the Dinosaurs Alive area. And we can say that Field of Screams will be back this year for Haunt. You see this building right over here. Right there, that's all for Field of Screams. So yes, that will be back for Haunt. Now we are up here at the top of the tower. I wanted to show you an overview of Coney Mall. As for Halloween Haunt, it will be Coney Mall, M-A-U-L. There will be a haunt zone, a roaming haunt zone, which is kind of nice. And yes, it's a busy one today. Alright guys, so over here where Bored to Death used to be, keyword used to be, this building is probably not going to be used for a haunt this year. If it is, we don't know what it's going to be used for, but as we know for now, Bored to Death is gone. It was taken off of the haunt website. So yeah, Bored to Death is gone. So if we do see a new haunt maze here, and you may be asking yourself, why in the world are we over here near Racer? Well, we took a ride on Racer earlier, and despite what some people have been saying about it being rough and it needs to be RMC'd, or the whole RMC rumors, we just want you guys to know where we stand. So, as the train comes back around, we thought, and after our ride earlier, and other rides during the season, we think that it is running great this year. Park has done a lot of recheck on the return halves during the off-season, and on opening day it was really good. It still is really good. It is a smooth ride if you sit in the right seats, of course. The blue side goes. And I don't think that anything major will be happening to the Racer next year. Now, with that being said, there's rumors been going around that there's been surveying and everything around here. There's also been rumors of like a light company around here and everything. Now that one I could see happening. Maybe a retrack here and there, and some like chaser lighting, sort of like what Hang Time, Monster have at Knott's Berry Farm and so yeah. Overall, we thought Racer was good, and we don't think anything should happen to it, but we will wait and find out. And still over here by the Flight Commander spot, old location, nothing has changed. Planet Snoopy, where the former Peanuts Museum and How to Draw the Peanuts characters were for the Peanut Celebration. There's a haunt that was over here, and the keyword there was again. Carnival is not going to be back in this area. It actually will not be at the park at all, as they had to tear part of it up and take it out for the Peanut Celebration activities in here. So yeah, Carnival will not be coming back. But here's the thing, most of the props in there, well, very little props, but most of them hopefully will be used in the all-new Coney Mall. Alright guys, that was going to do it for us here at Kings Island. Overall, the park looked great. The little changes here and there always look better. As more continues with the dorm updates, we will let you know. But once Halloween Haunt rolls around on September 21st, where those new mazes are located, we'll let you guys know about that. And anything else that breaks around here at the park. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe. Follow us on social media at Coaster Map Productions, and we'll see you guys out on the hills.